How to create MoonPay Wallet. MoonPay Wallet Setup Tutorial. To create a MoonPay Wallet, first of all launch MoonPay on your smartphone. As in when you open up, this is the type of interface you will see. Since we're starting for the first time, from the bottom select Get Started. After you select Get Started, enter the email address that you'd like to sign up on MoonPay with. After you enter the email address, just select Continue. If you want, you can also sign in using your Google account. Whichever is comfortable for you, you can select the Continue button, and after that, you'll come to this page. Here, simply enter the verification code that will be sent to your email. So right over here you can see I have received the verification code from MoonPay. I'll just copy the code and I'm going to come back and paste the code. And as I do that, you can see they are setting up things for you, and after you've done this, your MoonPay account and your wallet will be simultaneously created at the same time. This way you can create MoonPay Wallet. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.